This has to be one of the best retail therapy experience I've had in a long time. Installed in a Z370 NVMe 4X capable motherboard, Windows 10 Pro boots so fast now we no longer have time to get a cup of coffee. Love the data migration software too, I had my old 512GB SSD migrated across in under 5 minutes from boot. Took the plunge and ordered 2 of TZ. The text on the label was a little lower quality than a 250GB 970 Evo I had ND, but I verified both a genuine with Samsung Magician. Benchmarked with Crystal Disk Mark. Both came out at 3, 4 and 3, 5 GB par seconde respectively sequential read and near enough 2. 5 GB par seconde write which is more or less exactly what the specs say. Not much more to it than that. I look forward to testing them in red configuration. A NVMe drive are cheap now we decided to grab one and compare it to some other drive. So far it has been solid even after updating to the latest firmware via ITS on included software, Samsung Magician, no data loss doing the upgrade either, just a simple restart and crack on emoticon souriant. I use this SSD a my boot drive, and 500GB is a good amount of storage although there are also 250GB and 1TB version should you need more or less space. Installation is easy plugging it into the socket on the motherboard, it only goes one way, then screwing it down using the screw and stand. Unless you follow the Verge School of PC building, in which case all bets are off. Attached screenshot was taken with AI7-8700K/5GHz all-core on a Z390 Aorus Elite motherboard. Parenthèse fermante. Note this doesn't come with a screw, should come with your motherboard. Very fast drive, easy to install, great value for money. Run well in my XPS 15 9550, after install move Windows system in it by SAS after restart laptop and press F12 to BIOS finally set up start system to SSD, then you will see how fast you turn on a laptop lol. Blazing fast, exceeding the read and write specification. Simple to install, just placed in the NVMe slot on my motherboard and created a new simple volume with Disk Manager. No driver or software needed. New original content from Samsung. Work perfectly on first go. Come with warranty. The Samsung 970 Pro is the highest performing NAND-based solid-state drive I've tested. ITS en excellente option for almost any use with a PC that support PCI Express drive, the Monsieur de form factor, and the NVMe protocol. And also a great option for the high-end enthusiasts, gamers, videographers. Looking for the best consumer-grade performance. The 970 Pro drive is offered in 512GB and 1TB capacities. ITS speeds are beyond belief with a noticeable performance jump when using Compute 3D modeling software, intensive CAD work or playing Counter-Strike 1. 6. Funigi. The speed, physique. In case you are going to install Windows on this disk, make sure your system is using the UEFI platform rather than the old BIOS platform to take full advantage of the latest technology and all of ITS advantages. This means your system drive will have a GPT volume rather than an MBR volume. It's the newer and more reliable standard. You will have to boot into your UEFI interface, and turn off CSM, likely under boot option before installing Windows or directly afterwards as well as when you update your UEFI BIOS. ITS good to double check the CSM settings stays off whenever you add. Pro plus fantastic performance, fast PCIe 3. 0/4 Monsieur de storage plus high endurance plus low latency plus AES 256 bit hardware based encryption engine plus 5 year warranty no complaints overall. The Samsung SSD 970 Pro is a strong performer in terms of throughput and latency, with a variety of workloads. Installation, a with all Monsieur the drive is really easy and only involve one screw, the mine was so tight he ended up stripping it. Always check your manual for compatibility. I think that almost all modern chipsets support MKE PCIe 4X NVMe Monsieur de SSDs such as this one. First Crystal Disk Mark benchmark with a fresh install of Windows 10 on Intel HM370 chipset showed excellent speeds as shown. Subsequent runs, even with very little of the drive populated, show identical sequential read and write speeds of 3500 Mbps and 2500 Mbps respectively, but slower 4K speeds for some reason. IVE installed Samsung's latest NVMe driver and Samsung Magician, but they had no impact on benchmarks. Windows does a good job finding driver. Even with this slight decrease, the drive still perform excellently. Coming from relatively fast Monsieur de PCIe X2 SSD, the 970 EVO is still noticeably faster in many scenarios, and the gain would be even greater coming from a SATA SSD or, God forbid, a HDD. He picked up the 1TB variant for 175 livres on Black Friday sale. With the falling prices of consumer-grade SSDs, now is a good time to upgrade to such a drive. Whilst MLC drive, such as the 970 EVO, may not be a faster endurant a SLC drive, such as the 970 Pro, they're also much more affordable and plenty fast for most people. Running out of storage space on my Gigabyte laptop original PCIe NVMe, a unspectacular Lighton drive that he had intended to replace by a Samsung drive for some time now, he got the EVO 970 plus 1TB and a compatible enclosure for cloning. Contrary to lot of other reviews I have seen that reported the Samsung drive not being recognized by Samsung software when not installed directly onto the motherboard, I had no issue cloning my old hard drive onto this one using the Samsung data migration software. The complementary Samsung software is generally one of the reasons why I stick with this brand when upgrading my laptop hard drive. After swapping drive, my laptop booted immediately and I could resume my work where I left off, the only difference being that now everything runs much smoother. Click link in description for more reviews.